This is my Keurig coffee maker and it will not power up. Let me show you how I fixed it for free. Hi, I'm Dave, and this Keurig did not power up, so after a quick check with a multimeter, there is some internal component that has failed. Here's the Keurig with the covers removed, and after testing, I found this thermal switch was defective, and in this case, it was not necessary to remove it, and I will show you why. My meter is on the ohm setting, and across the plug it reads an open circuit, and this means it will not power up. I found the defective component to be this thermal switch, and it did not reset. Here I take a piece of steel wire and press it into the hole of the thermal switch, and the contact springs back in place. Normally a thermal switch will reset itself once it is cooled down, and apparently this one does not operate that way, so you have to do a manual reset. Here I connect the meter to one side of the plug and the other to the thermal switch, and now the power circuit is complete. And this could have been done without removing the thermal switch. I will fast forward through the boring parts of replacing the thermal switch and the covers. Now back to the kitchen. Lift and close the cover and it powers up. Let's see if it heats the water. There we go. And that is how I fixed this Keurig that would not power up. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment. This is the Carvetools channel. I'm Dave. Thanks for watching and have a great day.